turned up, done a bit of welding. Nathan's just busy doing a little bit of welding on the floor plates. I've introduced him to Stella. Hopefully he'll still weld straight. Just cut the little bar while he's waiting. He's banned me from the welder. So, not a bad fit up round there. Can't see, my hand's in the way. There you go. And then we'll put the harness bar off that later, but we'll do the harness bar when we get the seat as well, because we're going to just put it bang on. Looking master at work. So that's all good. And it starts to rain, so we've now tested Jimbo's first time painted door, so we'll see how dry that, how well that went. So for the ladies out there, we'll do a bit of filming. We need the flash dance music, don't we? It'll burn my eyes if I look at the actual screen. Nathan complaining about this.
Unbelievable.
You're bloody in the way now, I'm supposed to film shit. It's mostly the gas though, isn't it, Nathan?
Yeah, definitely.
But to be fair, you do this like as a hobby, as a living really.
No.
Yeah, you do. And you welded PVC windows, didn't you, for years as well?
Yeah.
You know. I can create a website though, can you?
No.
Although to be fair, it's mostly the excellent gap fitting I've done made it easy for you.
Can you...
What do you want me to do?
Turn the white speed down a bit. I can do that.
Didn't do much, but it's just enough. But you want to come out of the car now, don't you? I don't know what you want to do. Too big to fit in a minute. Is it?
It's a bit. I'm turning wire up actually.
Yeah, I thought you should turn it up a bit. Maybe cut the roof off more so you can get in there.
That's better.
You impressed yourself, didn't you? It's a hell of a lot easier without a roof. Right there, don't damage the car. Enough slack on that. plates. I'll just work on the rear diagonal. There you go down. There. So go high on the head side so when it's when I crash and roll the car over, a bit stronger. Shame put the old in myself. Not too bad. Just cut a soft pad. And bit by bit, try my best. And we'll see if Nathan can weld the gap up in a minute.
Turn one speed down a little bit. Just turn.
One speed down a bit. You're impressed with the fillet joint, aren't you?
Yep.
What makes it so easy? I'm just making it too easy for you. And the 1/2 inch to the plate, to the floor gap as well, that made it too easy for you. Maybe through the air, through the... Jungle Gym. Well, rear diagonal's in. Nathan's nicely welded that up. So I think we'll leave the rest for the moment. We're going to leave this driver's door bar. We need to leave that, don't we, until I get the seat. And we'll leave the harness bar as well. And we do have enough for another crossbar, but again, we'll just leave that, I think, until I get all the harnesses and things like that, because we just need to see where things go. Obviously having a crossbar in there is going to make it stronger than anything, but you know. Yes, thank you very much, Nathan, for coming over and welding. Lovely weather welding. Yeah, got brake calipers for the back out the ward, and they never came with any of the donor cars. So yeah, I've just got to replace the brake cable on this side. Jimbo's offered me a fuel cell, so I think we might go with that, because I think I just fucking depends how big it is, but we'll just cut a hole in the boot and just mount it in the boot, and then that makes all the handbrake cables all a lot easier underneath and everything. We'll have to worry about that later if we need a rad in the boot or anything. And yeah, I've got to do the handbrake cable. I think I've got to take the shoes off. And I've lost my rear diff carrier as well. I'm not too sure what I've done with that. The bloke said he put it in the car, but I can't remember. It's a bit of a gutting one if I need to go find another one of them. So, well, we need 2 pipes, don't we? So the inlet for the is that one there. So we either just come out with 2 short stubs, and then I do the rest in flexies, and which I started to think about the other day is maybe just easier. Or if we can somehow get that pointed back like that, would be lovely.
What's that, just to fill it?
Yeah, that's where the old hoses came out. So they're much more. I think they're like
and is there a low one that side?
Yeah, yeah. So.
And where's that got to
go? Down there. So. Okay, just wrapping up the end of the video. We've got a couple of hours done on it, so we've got most of the cages not 95% done now, so it's a bit dark. We do have another cross beam to go in, but I'm not going to do that yet. Crossbar, because I want to get the seat in, which will be the next thing, and that's what's stopping me doing the harness bar as well, and also the driver's door bar as well. So I'm just not going to bother doing any of those, because there's no point putting them in just to find out that the bloody seat won't fit. So, you know, the cage is pretty strong as it is for now. So absolute worst case scenario, we run without any door bar. It's not the end of the world, you know, not all cages have them anyway. Obviously it does add strength, I'm not denying that. But it's more important to go racing than it is safety at the moment. A little joke there, a little joke. Nathan's taking the radiator with him to work. He's going to have a bit of fun in his lunch hour, doing some fittings on that. I think we sort of decided on what we're doing, and so we'll have a look later. I might just run this fitting right around the outside of that pole and underneath, so actually the front end can still maybe come off if needed, but we still may chop more out for that. But the key thing is to get the thing plumbed in so we can get the engine running. Hopefully the fuel cell is going to turn up in the next video, if not the next one after that. We can have a look at that and make a decision on that. I seem to have lost the rear subframe. I don't know if any of you guys remember me bringing it or unloading it in any of the videos. I can't remember if I collected it now. The guy says he can't find it, so it's quite a big thing to miss. So which is a bit of a pain in the arse. If I have lost that or thrown it away, which is damn stupid of me. Because we need that before we can bolt up any of the rear suspension. So I'm going to have to do a bit of a search today, see if I can find up a backup one. Because I really can't hang about for too much longer. I need to get that in, I need to get the rear diff in. I can then work out the prop shaft length. But yeah, it's starting to look, I think another week or so, if I can get this all sorted and we can get back on its wheels, if we can get it running, that'll really, you know, not spur me on, but just feel like, hey, we might be able to do it. But a lot more to do. And yeah, till next time, thanks Nathan for coming over, doing the welding. He loves it. I just did all the cutting and shutting. Worked well as a team. Alright, cheers boys, have a good evening. Just chicken and chips for tea tonight. Nothing special. Sorry.